Hello, how are you all? Welcome to our virtual class. It's me, your math teacher. We are in chapter 3 and today we are going to make problems from given sentence and we are going to solve them. Okay. Now let us go through our exercise, that is in exercise 8. We have exercise 8 number. We have 5 questions here. Okay. Uh, 5 questions here. So first of all, let us read the question here. As I have written the questions already here. Okay, questions already here. So let us read. Find the sum of the difference between 18 and 4 and the product of 9 and 3. In this type of questions, what we have to know, that what is asked, what is given. Okay, we have to find out that. Okay, let me highlight what is asked here. Find the sum means we have to find the sum of what? Of what? Sum of difference between 18 and 4 and product of 9 and 3. Okay, now let us make the problem. Okay, let us make the problem here. We have to find out the sum. Yes, sum of what? That is difference of, sorry, it should be in black color. Okay, sum of difference between 18 and 4. 18 and 4. Keep this in bracket. Okay, keep this in bracket. And product of 9 and 3, that is 9 and 3, product of 9 and 3. Yes, we have to find out. We have made the problem now. Now let us solve it. Equal to 18 minus 4, that is 14, plus 9 3s are 27. Okay, now let's add 14 and 27. What will be the sum then? It is 1 11, 1 carry over 1, that is 41. This is our answer. Understood? This is how we make the problem and we solve the problem from the given sentence, isn't it? So let us go to another question. That is question number B. Subtract the product of 6 and 9 from 70. Yes, what we have to find out? What we have to find out? We have to subtract from what? From the product of 6 and 9. From what? 70. Okay. Now let us make the problem as we have done in question number A already, isn't it? So subtract the product of, from which number we have to subtract? We have to subtract from 70. We have to subtract from 70 which number? That means product of 6 and 9. That is product of 6 and 9. Understood? We made the problem here. See, subtract the product of 6 and 9. Yes, we have subtracted here product of 6 and 9 from 70. Now let's solve this. 70 minus 6 9s are 54. Okay, now to subtract 70 minus 54, you will get 16. This is the answer. Okay, we have subtracted the product of 6 and 9 from the 70 and the answer is, the difference is 16. Now let us go to another number, that is question number C. Divide the product of 10 and 8 by the difference of 20 and 12. Yes, what we have to do? Divide. What we have to divide then? That is, we have to divide the product of 10 and 8 by difference of 20 and 12. Now let's make the problem. Okay, now let's make the problem here. Divide means we have to divide what? Product of 10 and 8 means 10 product of 10 and 8 we have to divide here by which number? Difference of 20 and 12. 20 minus 12. We made the problem now. We made the problem. Okay. We have made the problem. Now let us solve it. Okay. Understood or not? Divide means here we have done here. Divide the product of 10 and 8 by 20 and 12. Did you get the point here? Okay. If yes, then let's start to solve this. 10 into 8, what is the product? 80. Divide by 80 divided by 20 minus 12. What is the difference here? 20 minus 12, it is 8. Now let's divide. 80 divided by 8, the quotient is 10. This is the answer. Isn't it easy? It's very easy. Now let us go to the problem number D. Okay, problem number D. Yes. Ram has 5 packets of 6 sweets each. How many sweets Ram has? Ram has 5 packets of 6 sweets each. His brother gives him 2 sweets from his pocket. Later, Ram divides all the sweets amongst his 3 friends and himself. How many sweets does each one of them get? Okay, here you have to make the problem first. We have to find out the total number of sweets. Okay, we have to find out the total number of sweets. Then we have to know for how many portion the sweets has to be divided. Sweets is divided, isn't it? So let me highlight. Yes. Ram has 5 packets of 6 sweets each. His brother give him 2 sweets from his pocket. Later, Ram divides all the sweets among his 3 friends. How many sweets does each one of them get? Okay. How many sweets each one get? This is what we have to find out. What are given here? Given 5 packets of sweets, 6 sweets in each, and also the 2 sweets, okay, added here. And he has divided among his 3 friends and himself, means he has divided for 4 portion, okay, among him also. 3 friends plus Ram, 4. Okay, now let us make the problem. Yes, 5 packets of 6 sweets each, means 5 into 6. Okay, 5 into 6 plus 2. This is the number of sweets. Yes, we have made here, isn't it? 5 packets of 6 sweets and his brother give him 2, means this is the total number of chocolate. This is the total number of chocolate. This is the number of chocolate. number of sweets. Okay, and he has divided among 3 friends, among him also. Okay, 3 friends plus himself, that is 4, is divided by 4. This is the problem. Okay, here 3 friends plus Ram, it has to be divided for 4. Okay, this is the condition, this is the problems. Okay, this is the problem which we have made from above condition. Now how many sweets does each one of them get? Means if we divide here, then the answer will be the number of chocolate which each of them will get. Okay, now let us solve this problem. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 divided by 4 equal to 32 divided by 4. 8 is the answer. Means each one of them got 8 sweets. How many sweets? 8 sweets. Okay, here you can give your conclusion also. 8 is the answer here. Thus each of them get 8 sweets. Understood? This is how we made the problem and solved the problem. Understood? I think all of you are clear how we make this problem. Number of sweets, 5 packets of sweets and 6 in each, means 5 into 6, and 2 is added. 2 is given by his brother. This is the total number of sweets and divided for 4 person. Okay, and each of them get 8 sweets. Okay, this is the problem number D. Now let us go to problem number E. Okay, the population here. The population of a city A is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 8,54,392. And the population of city B is 4,93,267. Find the total population of cities A and B. Okay, find the total population of cities A and B. Here shortly you can make the problem like 8, sorry, let me open the marker here. 8,54,392 plus 4,93,267. This is another. Now this is the problem. If you add, then you are going to get 7 plus 2, that is 9. 9 and 6, that is 15. 5, 1 carry over to another 100 column, that is 3 and 2 plus 1, that is 6. 4 and 3, that is 7. And 5 and 9, that is 14. 4. And 1 carry over, 8 plus 1, 9. And then 13. Okay, 13 here. This is the total number of population. That is 13,47,659. Here you can give your conclusion also. Okay, total populations of cities A and B is total population total population of cities A, sorry, let me drop this and write again, cities A and B is 13,47,659. This is how we make the problem and solve the problem. Okay, understood? This one is very easy. Now let us go to the another question. Okay, and that is what would be, what would you get? This is in exercise 8.4 number. Okay, in exercise 8.4 number, this question is also tricky. What would you get if 199 is added to 301 and the sum is divided by the difference of 31 and 6? Added this number, what is given here, added means you have to add 199 with 301, and what we have to do, we have to, and the sum is divided. This is the operation which we have to do. Okay, this is asked here. Okay, sum is divided by the difference of 31 and 6. This is also given here. Very easy. Now let us make the problem. If 199 is added to 301, now let us add 199 plus 301. Okay, and the sum is divided by, okay, it is divided by difference of 31 and 6. Okay, difference of 31 and 6. Yes, this is the problem here. Okay, now let us add 199 plus 301, isn't it? This is 500 divided by 31 minus 6. Okay, this is 25. Now if you divide 500 by 25, then you are going to get 20. Okay, this is the answer. What would you get if 199 is added to 301 and the sum is divided by the difference of 31 and 6? 199 plus 301 is 500 and 31 minus 6 is 25. If you divide it, then you are going to get 20 as the quotient, which is our answer. Okay, so only this much for today. Please try to do all the questions again yourself. Okay, in our coming class we will do some more problems related to simplifications. Okay, only this much for today. Bye bye all of you.